True. Fucking what the fuck?
I got him.
Fucking what the fuck?
Yeah, that's how fucked up that shit was. I couldn't even think straight. The fuck?
Fucking what the fuck? God damn.
Hey, you running around with a knife? Let me get that shit. What this shit look like? Oh, it's all pink and shit? I fucks with it.
I wish
That
like
teammate?
when you like find a knife in this game, you could just like collect them or some shit.
Like dog tags on Battlefield? Okay.
Yeah.
That'd be tight.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would.
I see what you're talking about. I picked up the new pink knife too.
Yeah, I have it ready to go just in case somebody tries to creep up on me. If I can hear them in time. Woo!
Oh.
I needed that headshot. Yo, Tristan! I'm trying to sound whore this game. I can't do that. Oh, you got me. Nigga.
Oh, shit, there's a... Man, I tried to stop listening.
Trying to sound whore this game and you're over here whistling and shit. Like, bruh. There's one in there in the corner.
Did you just say sound whore?
Yeah, sound whore. That's what I'm doing. Being a whore for this sound. No.
Question. Pause.
Kappa?
Kappa?
What?
Question mark?